Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore how NASA's Artemis II mission could spark new momentum for India's space ambitions, opening doors for innovation, collaboration, and future lunar breakthroughs. It highlights how global missions can quietly shape the future of emerging space powers. NASA's Artemis II could greatly benefit India, according to experts. Even though India is not directly involved in the moon mission, it is part of the Artemis Accords, a framework with a list of principles for lunar exploration, including cooperation, interoperability, and data sharing. Kaushik Ray, a veteran defense and space expert, told SCMP that since India is a signatory to the Artemis Accords, the success of Artemis II strengthens a framework in which India is now a stakeholder. India can use this position to access the Artemis framework and develop systems compatible with global lunar infrastructure. This means it would not have to work on them entirely on its own and would have the support of NASA and other signatories. The Indian Space Research Organization is making great strides in the field of space exploration. In 2023, Chandrayaan-3 became the world's first to achieve a soft landing near the lunar South Pole. ISRO is now aiming to launch its first crewed spaceflight program, called Gaganyan. Under it, Indian astronauts will be launched into a approx 200 miles low Earth orbit for a 3-day mission. It is currently scheduled for 2027. Ray said that the experience and data gathered by the Artemis II mission will prove highly relevant for India's Chandrayaan and Gaganyan programs. Besides, it would also immensely help ISRO's future ambitions in long-duration human spaceflight. Its position will allow it to enter collaborative missions, shared research, and participation in lunar exploration initiatives, he added. Chandrayaan-4 is also in the works, which aims to gather samples from the lunar surface and return them to Earth around 2028. ISRO is also working with the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency on LUPEX, a joint project to explore the Moon's South Pole. After the Indian space sector was opened to private companies in 2023, it is projected to expand to a whopping $44 billion annually by 2033, a 5-fold increase from current figures, according to a joint report released by the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. ISRO has a budget of $1.6 billion for the 2026-2027 financial year. But the private sector could add immensely to its potential. The Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Centre was formed in 2020, and today the country has more than 400 space startups focusing on satellite manufacturing to launch vehicles. Thanks for tuning in to this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come.